a couple different categories just because it falls under a couple different categories. And the first one is this. The real heading is this. They're called measures. Actually, you can put it under the letter F because it's all the letter M. Measures of central tendency. I don't know why it's called this. But that would also be, the little subheadings are put up in the top too so you can see it because this is what to look for. This is the words mean, median, mode, a lot of M's going on here, and range. I don't know, the letter R just kind of gets tucked in there. But you need to somehow have in your notes that if it asks you for the mode of something, you'd be able to find mode in your letter M's and be able to say, well, there it is. You wouldn't obviously think to look under measures of central tendency if you're looking for a mode, but that's neither here nor there. And again, I don't know if they have some good examples. I'm going to try and find something here. Wait, did we do it already?
Yeah.
Well, why isn't it in here then? I know, I just did it with 6th grade. How about line plot? Histogram?
No, not
What do you, show me your notes under measures of central tendency. I don't want them, I just want to see them.
Yeah, right here. I'm using my ABC.
Looks like we might need a little review based on what I'm seeing here for notes this year.
Oh, here it is. Measure of-
I think we must have done it as a,
We did this in lesson 7.
yeah, what's up with that? Look at Rocky's got it. Let's just do a quick little thing here just because, well, you've already got this, but let's make sure you have here what this is. Mean is the same as average. The median is the middle number. The mode is the number that happens the most. And the range is the difference between the smallest and the biggest. Okay. I wish they had a good example in here. I'm going to do it. Sure, let's write this down here. Page 362 says, the owner of a cafe was interested in the age of her customers in order to plan marketing. One day she collected these data on customer ages. So let's write this down. She had a 28, a 33, a 31, a 41, a 42, a 27, a 75, a 73, a 38, and a 35. When you're finding these measures of central tendency, what's the first thing that you need to do, Johnny?
You have to put them in order.
Exactly. You have to arrange from least to greatest. Least to greatest order. So if we're doing that, then it looks like we have a what? A 27, a 28, a 31, a 33, a 35, a 38. I missed one. 41, 42. I must be old because I haven't fit in here till after all those. 73, 75. just as a review, because lesson 7 was a long time ago. The average, how do you find average, Corinne Shellhammer? Yeah, how many of you can add that up in your head? Anybody? You want to do it for me? We could probably try. One at a time. What is this? 55, 86. I don't want to do it. 119, 154, 192, 233, 275, 348, and 75 is 423, I think. 423 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's easy. Good. Average of this would be what? 42 point, what did I say, 8 or 3? 3, I think. If in fact I did my adding right, I don't care so much about average because that one's, you can figure that out, I don't know. How about the median number? We do need to talk about this a little bit. The median is the middle. And what is the middle of 10? Most people say 5. Unfortunately, it's not really 5. Because if you go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this number is not in the middle. Why? Because there's only 4 numbers to the left of it, and there's 6 numbers to the right of it. In the middle, if there's an even number, there is no exact number in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle happens to fall right here. So there is no exact middle there. And then what do?
You write down the number between those two.
Well, what do we call that? You have to do out of those two numbers, Brandon?
Take the add them both together and find.
Right. You need to find the average of those two numbers, which means add them together, divide them, and then cut it in half. And that plus that is 73. Half of 73 is 36 and a half. So your median would be 36 and a half because when you add these two together, actually you could probably figure that out because how many numbers are between 5 and 8? 3, so add 1 and a half to that, you get 36 and a half. What about the mode? What number occurs the most? None. Nothing repeats, so this has no mode. And then what about the range, as in the HOMON? Well, you would take 75, the biggest number, subtract the smallest 27 from it, you end up with 48 for the range. Does that seem like it rings a bell?
Yes.
Perfect.